Okay, now our brother, our brother Simon Eba. I didn't. It's not that I'm mocking you or I am making fun of you. No, I am not. I'm saying my mind. You want to go? Opinion, my own opinion, my own observation. Do you understand? So you said that you're going to give us Biafra this year, isn't it? That's what you promised, because I've been hearing it from you. Don't think we don't listen to you. We do. I've been hearing it from you. You want to go? So ask that now. And because I also saw where you said you went and submitted document to Finland, and I asked a question and I said, is the document you submitted to Finland, is it for our freedom? Because we cannot get freedom in Finland now. And is it only Finland that this document is submitted to? Because other countries, does it mean there is no other country that is backing us up? What about submitting document to this wicked evil UN that don't care about us? At least that document should be submitted to them too. If I have freedom, at least let them have document to say these people submitted documents, and the Biafra government is Simon that is running submitted document to them for freedom. So that's why I'm asking. It's not that I am don't want to ask them. This is a question, But somehow I believe that some of these attackers will now come and say, if he have come to attack Simon, everything attack. Everything is not attack now. So it's a thing that need answer, that we need an answer from. Because I'm also a Biafra. It concerns me for my people to be free. I love my people the way you all love them. You want to go? All of us love our people because they are suffering. It's not their suffering is also affecting us here as well. We don't want to remain in that country called Nigeria. We want to be free people. You want to go? Because Nigeria is not for us. So that we have to ask questions when we see things that we notice something. We need to ask now. Is there anything wrong in asking a question? No. Why are you always thinking that we shouldn't be asking questions? We all should be quiet and let things the way no, it's supposed not to be. This is not an attack. Because we refuse to unite together so that we can be asking this question. As we have refused as people of Umuibo, everybody is fighting their own. This one is on their own. This one is on their own. This one is attacking this one. So our own is to ask a question online. Because last time you said you are going to give us freedom. We are on countdown. And after that countdown, nothing happened. And after that countdown, we see that we are still where we are. We are still in Nigeria. And last time you said that you are going to no election in Biafra land. The election happened. So that's why we are now saying, I hope that this time around you're not going to break people's hearts as you did before. Because you broke so many of us hearts. So we pray that it will not be so. Prayer will not, it's not only prayer. Prayer without work is dead. We're hoping that it will not be so. And we are also hoping that you will pull through this time. That your promises this time is going to be fulfilled. I know fight now. Because I know your attackers will come. The ants. All those backing dogs you have. They will come and be calling names. My body is immune to names calling. It's no longer new. Whatever they like, let them say. As long as all those things, I didn't do none of them. As long as I know that I'm innocent. So I don't care. But let us be truthful. Let us be sincere to ourselves. Let us ask questions. This question I'm asking is not wrong. So that if you guys put through now, we all will come and thank God. We all will appreciate you all. Oh. I will even come out and be dancing as our brother is dancing, as our brother Simon is dancing. I will even dance more than him. But because me too, I dance online. But my own dance will be more than his own dance. Hey! My own dance will be more than his own. So that because then we are free people. And when you guys, if you get this freedom for us, your autopilot, and you said the Biafra government is Simon, and you said that we didn't join you again to fight, that are you going to kill us? Even one other hand, you're not going to kill us. Even one day, other hand, why but one day. Sure, if you get this freedom, we even forget about all the fight, all the name calling. Everybody will be happy, and everybody will be praising you. Hey, I need to give you Simon. Get it? I need to give you rubbish. Oh, when what the Biafra can you afford to tonu? Simon, you want to hand up Biafra for us? I need to basically. Man, I ever be him, and I need to give when he see at all. What I go? I'm saying my mind, though. So biko let this year not pass by, biko kasi promise us jisike inugo ka anyị wee freedom, ka anyị were onwe anyị nọ ihe anyị chọrọ achọ ifuke ya. So ihe anyị chọrọ achọ, ana m emekwa gị ya fight, mana ndị otu gị ga-abịa na-akpọwa m n'ọnụ. They don't reason because ha mana ha chi na everybody will talk, everybody will not talk. Everybody have right to talk. We have right to air our opinion. We have right to air opinions. We are Biafra, as they are Biafras. None of them is more Biafra than me, Ifi. So why wouldn't I ask question? Is it only Finland that will give us this freedom? Yeah? Freedom, Finland. I don't understand though. I pray that this year, you will not fail us. Biko. Biko. Na anyị chọrọ ụmụnna anyị chọrọ freedom a. Biko, agbawakwana ndị mmadụ obi this year. Agbawakwana ha obi. Ka isi wee gbaa ha obi before. Eji Chineke yọ gị nugo. Ngwa udo ka anyị chọrọ. Freedom, biko ya bịa. Biafra, biko Chukwu nụrụ akwa anyị. Nyere anyị freedom a na anyị chọrọ ya nke tata na echi. Ọ dịgo too much. Ndewo, ikwu na my own. That is me. That is Ifi. Ngwa, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Love you.